Do you love your family, especially your hobby? If yes, then you need to watch this video to the very end. This is one recipe that you should be adding to your menu. I call this my signature sauce. It is my own creation. Yes, and this can go with white rice, white yam, especially white rice, fried yam, and all what have you. Now you have to start by roasting this locust bean. This has to be roasted to bring out the distinctive flavor for this stew, which is one of the secrets of the heavenly taste of the stew or sauce. Okay, so when it gets smoking like this, then you bring it out and grate it. This is what you have. Next is to prep your onion. Cut the onion into smaller chunks so that it can be easily handled by the grater. And then you get it grated, and this is what you have. Next is to prep your atarodo Scott bonnet pepper. This is what you have. Everything grated. Then I'm using Titus fish here. Please feel free to use assorted, varieties of protein. That would, beef up your sauce, make it more rich, and give you a lot of gallops to play with in your mouth. But the economy we are in right now, we are just trying our best to cook good meals, nutritious without breaking the bank. So next is to heat up the vegetable oil, add some red oil, salt, and then the grated locust bean. Get it frying for a few minutes before adding every other thing. So a few seconds so that the taste can come out, the flavor can come out, the aroma can come out. At this point, this kitchen was already smelling so heavenly. Now you add the atarodo pepper, the onion, and give it a good stir. Have you given this video a thumbs up? If no, please tap the thumbs up icon to like this video, because this video is what you like, it's what you share, it's what you comment. If you're going to be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Please do well to share this video. Every woman that loves her family should know this recipe. Now, after it has been frying for some minutes, I came back and added some dry pepper, thyme, ginger, and garlic, and then curry powder, and 2 seasoning cubes, and then give it a very good stir and allow it to keep frying for more 2 minutes. If you try this recipe, oh my goodness, if you don't come back to tell me how delicious it was, then you're just very stingy with appreciation. Okay, so I added the Titus fish, and then added a generous amount of crayfish, and went in with extra 2 seasoning cubes, added little water. You don't need to overwater this sauce. Remember, it is a sauce. Okay, now give it another good stir. Combine everything together and taste for salt. Oh my goodness, the aroma of this was sending the whole neighbors salivating.
As well, my sister.
Now look at how it's beautifully cooking. The oil has risen on top of the sauce, showing a sign that this sauce is near to done. At this point, guys, I added this diced Irish potatoes. You need to add these potatoes. This is my creation from scratch. Like I said, if you must try it, please do not skip any step. Rather, add. And what you need to add would be nothing but more proteins if you want, if you can. Not any other thing, okay? Now, after like 2 minutes of cooking, the Irish potato was well cooked, and so it is time to finish up this cooking. already tell me, how does this look to you? Isn't it looking tantalizing? Tell me if you're not even salivating watching this from your screen. Okay, so yeah, this is another banger. This is sweetened Greek yogurt. Yes, you have to add it. You just have to add it, okay? And then I went in with some ringed onion. Yeah, this doesn't need to be cooked. Everything I'm adding now is just like garnishing, and the heat will go off in a short while. So I went in with some scent leaf and some boiled egg. Give it a good stir and turn off the heat. Oh my god. Oh my god. This sauce. This sauce. I don't mind cooking it every day, guys. I don't mind cooking this every day because it is out of this world. I tasted it and it was so yummy. I mean, give it a thumbs up already, guys. Okay, so we are almost done. Time to serve. And voila, I already have my white rice boiled, garnished with some cucumber slice, added the Greek sweetened yogurt, and yeah, the sauce. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See, by the time you combine all of those things and eat them together, oh, well, I left some cucumber to wash up my palate after eating. But guys, you see this? Please go and try it. Just go and try it, my brother, my sister. Just go and try it. If you don't know how to make Greek yogurt, please search on my channel. The recipe is there. I also have a latest recipe on Greek yogurts, but not yet uploaded. But the one I have there, you can learn from it. Go and try Greek yogurts and try it together with this. You're gonna like it. Till I come your way next time, stay safe and don't forget to share this video. Bye-bye.